How's it going, everyone? Okay, so it's the 23rd of July, and I started ringing new rings beginning like January of this year. So these pigeons are the babies that haven't started rolling yet. Some of them are rolling. I can quickly show you a little bit closer. Some of them are mature. I think there's about 50 or 60 of them. But I thought I would just quickly fly them because I'm getting close to getting them out. If they haven't started rolling and they are older than 7 months, then I'm gonna slowly, or not slowly, I'm just one day gonna come and take everything out that's got older rings than this year's rings. But before I do that, let's quickly fly them, kind of for old time's sake. They are normally separated to two teams. There are some real babies, like this one. He doesn't really fly properly yet, so he's been home, but he doesn't really fly. So there they go. You see, some of them do actually roll, but they don't roll deep enough. Let's get them up. See, they flip. Okay, once they're up, I'll take a few proper photos and then we take it from there. So you'll see there is a bit of rolling going on, but it's mostly not really deep. So unless they do a nice proper roll, you see like that one rolled deep, but it's got a little twitch. It's almost like it's rolling and then switching and then rolling on. I don't progress them to the B team. And so these ones, they used to be two kids, just flying them. So you can see how I approach them. I'm basically flying them as often as I can. I work from home, so I've got that benefit. But unless they're really rolling, so these have all been homed. They know the place. Some of them are still quite young, so you'll see there is a lot of rolling going on, but it's not what I want. So most of those that roll, but they've got like open wings, or they look like a cloth that you're throwing around, or they're too slow, whatever, they remain in this kit and they just never went on to the B team. So yeah, the 2022 birds all have golden rings, so I'll give them a little bit more chance, more time, but the rest of them will be going to someone else. So it's end of July, I'm just waiting. There's a new guy that joined our club, so the pigeons that came out of the A and the B teams, or some of them are really excellent rollers, So I'm gonna borrow them to Andre so that he can, oh, sorry, nearly fell over. Yeah, so Andre's gonna take the ones that I know roll okay. They just didn't fit into the other teams, and then as soon as he takes them, I'm gonna reduce these to only 22 babies. So the video will be made in future, but I'm gonna add it to this one, and then we take it from there. Do a couple more turns. So in conclusion, this is then all the pigeons that I decided to sell or get rid of. There are some really nice looking birds, but they are the ones that are either rolling too short or they haven't started rolling yet and they're more than 7 months old. So you can see I removed their rings. So when I sell them or give them away, people don't phone me from all over the country and say, hey, I've got your bird here. The ones that still have rings on don't have telephone numbers on, so they can be rehomed properly and spend the rest of their lives as pets. So I'd like to thank you for subscribing. I made space for new babies that we're going to be breeding after looking at who the better ones were in the kit. So if you'd like to see them being born and grow up and develop, you're welcome to subscribe and like and hit the alert button so you'll get notifications once the videos comes up. So this is kind of sad because I really like my birds, but it's also exciting because I know there's a new, better generation on the way. Thanks again, all the best.